If you're using your tester, lowercase n, TPGs, number 5, and you're verifying an absence of nominal voltage, huh? Now just think about this. Why would you use a non-contact tool? Why? You're on an underbuild. You've got capacitance everywhere. You've got backfeed possibly. You've got some coupling. You've got some induction, huh? For sure, on that line to some degree. Why in the heck would you use a non-contact tool? You're trusting the tools with your life. If you're using non-contact tools, here's what I want you to do. And I taught this at an electrical contractor several years ago, and they haven't had me back because it cost them a lot of money because they had to do what I'm about to say to you. And they did, okay? What happened is those tools will give you false positives, false negatives all day long. And if you're going to that X and you want to ground the X, you're verifying that conductor is de-energized. Why would you use something that's not touching X? Huh? Think about it. When you go home to your spouse, you go home to hug your kids at night. Are you hugging them? Air hugs? Air hugs? Are you kissing your wife with an air kiss? Huh? Try that. You just try that for a little while and see what happens with your marriage. If you're not touching that conductor, and trust me, she'll conduct if you want her to. If you're not touching that conductor, I'm going to tell you something. You're not living real. Okay? We want you to throw those non-contacts away. And in South Carolina, we have a phrase that we use that I didn't know until I moved here 11 years ago. It's called chunk it. Okay? Chunk it and get you direct contact.